and welcome to the 6th lesson of the Site Reliability Engineering course, and in this session, we're going to focus on something every business cares about: performance. Because let's face it, it doesn't matter how cool your app is. If it's slow, or crashes under load, people leave. That's why performance optimization is one of the core responsibilities of an SRE. In this lesson, we'll break it down into 3 key areas. 1. Capacity planning and scaling, so your systems are ready for growth. 2. Load testing, to simulate real-world traffic before users hit your app. 3. Database reliability, keeping your data fast, safe, and scalable. Let's dive in. First up, capacity planning. Capacity planning is all about answering the question, do we have enough resources to handle the load now? And in the future? This involves measuring things like current traffic levels, CPU, memory, and disk usage, user growth trends, peak traffic hours and seasonal spikes. You want to avoid 2 extremes. 1. Under-provisioning, where your system crashes because it's overloaded. 2. Over-provisioning, where you waste money on idle resources. Once you know what you need, it's time to scale. There are 2 main ways to do this. 1. Vertical scaling, also called scaling up. This means adding more power to a single machine, like upgrading the CPU or memory of your server. It's simple, but there's a limit: you can't scale one server forever. 2. Horizontal scaling, also called scaling out. This means adding more servers to handle traffic. It's more complex, but it's also more flexible and reliable. If one server fails, others can take over. Most modern systems, especially cloud-native ones, rely on horizontal scaling for better performance and availability. Now that we're planning for performance, we need to test it before real users show up. That's where load testing comes in. Load testing simulates user traffic to see how your system performs under pressure. It helps you find bottlenecks, crashes under load, and unexpected slowdowns. Let's look at 2 popular load testing tools used by SREs. 1. Locust. Locust is an open source tool written in Python. You write test scenarios as code, which makes it super flexible. You can simulate thousands, or even millions, of users interacting with your app. For example, you want to simulate 10,000 users logging in and browsing your website? Locust can do that, and show you where things slow down. 2. Case 6. Case 6 is another powerful tool, focused on performance testing for APIs and microservices. It uses a simple scripting language and works great with modern C/CD pipelines. Both tools give you real-time insights and visual dashboards, helping you optimize before it's too late. Finally, let's talk about databases, the backbone of your system. Databases need to be fast, to deliver content in milliseconds; reliable, to avoid data loss; scalable, to grow with your users. 2 key strategies help with this. 1. Sharding. Sharding means splitting your database into smaller, more manageable pieces, called shards. Each shard holds a portion of the data. For example, Shard 1 holds information of users from A to D, while Shard 2 holds users' information from E to J, and so on. This helps spread the load and improves performance, especially for huge datasets. 2. Replication. Replication means making copies of your data across multiple servers. There are usually 2 roles. 1. A primary database, which can handle read/writes operations. 2. One or more replicas, which usually are designed to handle read operations. Note, the primary database are usually designed to perform asynchronous replication of data to the replica database when both roles are implemented together. Also, replication helps with high availability. If the primary fails, a replica can take over. Load balancing, by spreading read traffic across replicas. Together, sharding and replication help your databases stay fast and resilient, even as demand grows. Let's wrap up with what we learned in this lesson. Capacity planning helps you predict and prepare for future demand. Scaling can be vertical or horizontal, and SREs often favor horizontal for flexibility. Load testing tools like Locust and K6 simulate real user traffic to find performance issues before they happen. Sharding and replication improve database speed, reliability, and scalability. Awesome work getting through Lesson 6. You're building the skills to keep systems fast, responsive, and ready to scale. To help you reinforce what you've learned and explore more advanced lessons, please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.